welcome. Welcome to our brand and thank you for joining what is probably the most amazing.
Thank you sir. मैं थोड़े sexy poses complete करके मिलता हूँ आपसे एक मिनट. नमस्कार. मेरी खूबसूरती का राज जानना चाहते हैं आप? सॉरी मस्ती बाद में. बिग बॉस है, सीरियस काम करो. सीरियस रहो यार. क्या क्या है क्या टाइम क्या हुआ? आफ्टरनून. गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीबॉडी. गुड आफ्टरनून. हाउ यू डूइंग? काफी टाइम बाद मिल रहा हूं मैं मीडिया वालों से. प्रणाम आपको. बहुत वेट तो नहीं करना पड़ा यार. मैं टाइम देख रहा था अपनी सेक्सी घड़ी में. सॉरी यार, सॉरी. वो सेक्सी लगने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है यार. So what is the order of business? Hello everyone. Hello. I believe we're live also. Live on Facebook. Hello world. Where's that Facebook camera? Facebook वाला कैमरा कहाँ है? कहाँ है? Hi everyone, what's up? आपको भी मेरा प्रणाम. हाँ जी. So, needless to say, it's a pleasure to be here, sir. Thank you for having me. Thank you for that wonderful introduction as well. Of course, I'm very, very, very excited to be the face of Nivea Men. I mean, it's an iconic brand. You know, I would not choose any other word other than iconic. You've been around for over 100 years. Been around ever since I was a kid. I've been using it ever since I was a kid, so it's a huge honor for me to be the brand ambassador. Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome.
Thank you for honoring me.
Welcome to the Nivea family. Yeah?
Thank you, sir. So, deodorant, face wash, shaving gel. If I smell good, it's because of Nivea. अगर मेरा चेहरा आपको खिला हुआ दिख रहा है, it's because of Nivea. अगर मेरी बियर्ड मैंने यहाँ से थोड़ा यहाँ शेविंग जेल यहाँ लगा के यहाँ नीट कर दिया, मैं इतना हॉट इसलिए लग रहा हूँ क्योंकि निविया. सर आपने भी निविया यूज किया ना?
100%.
देखो कैसे चेहरा चमक रहा है. आप भी निविया यूज करोगे, आपका भी चेहरा चमकेगा. यही तो बताने आया हूँ मैं आपको. तो sir, the duo is also being launched along with me today.
Yes,
fantastic product.
absolutely.
We shot for it very recently.
Yep.
In Istanbul. देखो बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड है, बहुत बड़ा एड बना है, बहुत बड़े डायरेक्टर के साथ, बहुत बड़ा बजट था, इसलिए हम गए थे टर्की.
So I think we're about to see
क्या?
something come out.
क्या टर्की है? Our entertainment media is very nutcut, very naughty. Very naughty यार. हाँ जी.
So we're going to see the launch of
The
our
duo?
Duo.
I love the duo. मैं यूज करता हूँ duo.
How far
ये देखो.
will you go for freshness? The depths of the ocean floor? It can be a bit risky. How about the highest peak? Well, only if you manage it, that is. Did you say walking barefoot on grass? Barefoot? Seriously? But what if we gave you freshness? That's strong, intense, and uplifting. Nivea Men Duo, the world's first dual-phase deodorant. with Freshness Phase and Freshness Guard Phase. Just shake to activate. To stay fresh and protected against body odor all day long. Nivea Men Duo. Not just a deo, it's duo.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. हाँ जी, वीडियो देखा आपने? क्या क्या किया मैंने देखा आपने? अच्छा वो मैं नहीं था. लेकिन डियो नहीं, ड्यूओ मेरे हाथ में है. एंड एज यू कैन सी द निविया मेन ड्यूओ, इफ यू कैन सी इट carefully, closely, it has two distinctive layers, freshness and freshness guard, which you have to shake to activate. This is a really amazing innovation done by Nivea, which is the freshness guard technology. So you get the fragrance and then you have something in it that preserves that fragrance throughout the day. See, I live in Bombay. We all live in Mumbai, and it's invariably hot, and we sweat, and many of us cannot boast of natural body odor. Sometimes हो जाता है, सबको होता है, मुझे भी होता है. That's why I use the Duo, and in order to activate this, you have to shake it. You have to shake it. So, in order to send this message out to our consumers, we made some really cool films with a really cool director, Mr. Shimit Amin. He made Chak De India. Do you remember his movies? He's not made one for a while, but he'll be back soon. Fantastic director. It was an awesome time, sir. Thank you for such a wonderful experience in the shooting of the ad, the making of the ad. So Shimit and I were collaborating for the first time. He really is a delight to work with. And we made some cute films. We have the digital films to show you. The main films will come later. But do you want to see them? Yeah, check them out. Check them out.
Freshness guard. How should I mix it?
Ah. Oh, kamal hai.
All right.
Freshness. Yeah. Freshness guard. Here. How should I mix it? Aap select.
right.
Why don't you guys select? How should I mix it, ma'am? Belly dance. Electric shock. Workout. Mind power. Ah.
तो आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है रणवीर?
Some really interesting options, huh, sir?
I think we should start out with the mind power, right?
Mind power.
Mind power.
ओके.
Public की क्या राय है?
हाँ. पहले
Belly dance. मैडम सबसे लाउड चिल्लाया आपने. बेली डांस करके दिखाओ.
So should we
आप
start
साथ
with
में करेंगी? हाँ. ठीक है. Sir says mind power. We must start then with mind power. Let's see what